Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're on a job in Huntley, Illinois. This project is a homeowner who's had their steps mudjacked 2 times. The first time they had these steps mudjacked, a company used crushed limestone and water. That effort failed and they had to have them mudjacked again. So the second company was a local competitor of ours that came out and mudjacked them again, and their claim is that they used a cement type mixture. I believe they claim to use a polymer in with their mix, but the steps have dropped again. So we're here today to raise these steps with polyurethane. But before we do that, we're going to take a video of getting a sample of the old mudjacking material. We want to take a sample and see exactly what kind of quality this material is, if it'll stand up to water, if it's easy to crush, or if it's really strong. So, you know, the thing is with mudjacking companies, if you line up 3, 5, 10 of them, every one is going to have a different mix, a different story as to why their material is better than the next guy's. So let's take a look and see what this mudjacking material is like. So here are the customer steps that have been raised a couple of times by mudjacking companies. We're going to go ahead and grab a sample now of the material that was used to raise these. So here's our sample of the mudjacking material that we just obtained from underneath the slab. And you know, our intention was to take this back to our shop and do an erosion test on this just to see how it would stand up to water. But you know, we're not even going to waste our time with that test. This material clearly would not stand up to any type of erosion test. This is nothing more than a clay sand mix. You know, based on the claim of it being similar to concrete and having some kind of a polymer added to it, that clearly was deceptive. There's nothing of the sort with this. So we're going to go ahead and raise the steps with polyurethane. Here's a sample of our polyurethane. You couldn't even begin to crush or change the shape of this. It is completely solid. This is actually rated for highways. We have specifications on this material and it will stand up to highway traffic, and we have all the data to back that up. So we're going to go ahead and get these steps raised now.